Please stand for a moment of silence, followed by the pledge. And now the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back to this January 27th edition of the Daily Growl. I'm Joel Griffiths.
And I'm your very own Lucas Allen Cox. And happy Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day. We don't even have to explain this one. Just celebrate.
On this day in history, 1967, the Outer Space Treaty, which banned the placing of nuclear weapons or any other weapons of mass destruction in orbit of Earth, is signed by 60 countries of the world, including the two most important superpowers at the time, the Soviet Union and the United States of America, who both had large space exploration programs and large nuclear programs. This was an important treaty because if any country was to place nuclear weapons or other weapons of mass destruction in orbit, no country in the world would be safe.
In yesterday's news today, the National Weather Service routinely warns people about falling rain, snow, and hail. But temperatures are dropping so low in South Florida, the forecasters warned residents Tuesday about falling iguanas. This isn't something we usually forecast, but don't be surprised if you see iguanas falling from the trees tonight as lows drop into the 30s and 40s. Joel.
Speaking of sunshine and beaches, the weather today here will be partly cloudy with a high of 64 and a low of 41, with a 10% chance of rain. Cooler temperatures this weekend.
Seniors, Joel, that includes me too. Grad Bash is April 24th and the cost is $150. Final payment of $75 will be due on February 21st. See Miss Wheeler in room 709 to make your payment and reserve your spot.
We'd like to wish a happy birthday today to Melissa Anderson, Emma Cooper, Vincent Luciano, and Lana Parker. We hope you all have a happy birthday today.
Last week of January 2020, and there's so much happening, so listen up to Joel.
This week is Celebrate Literacy Week. Monday, we'll play Wildcat Word Cornhole. Today is also when Logistic heads to Blount Island for a field trip. Sounds like fun.
I know, right? Tomorrow for Literacy Week, everyone will dress like a character from a book and do Kahoot at lunch. Wednesday, we'll hunt for a good book and wear camouflage. We'll mix in some Wildcat Word Bingo at lunch. Boys soccer has a home match versus Interlaken at 4, so be there, period. And girls basketball heads to Stanton. Good luck, ladies.
Thursday, you'll need to dress like a tacky tourist and play board games at lunch. Boys basketball hosts Fernandina. Friday, we'll wrap up the week with our very own Lucas Cox hosting karaoke at lunch for Literacy Week.
That's right.
There's also girls weightlifting regionals. Go get them, ladies. Boys basketball versus Oakleaf here at home, and girls basketball heads to Ridgeview. That'll wrap up January, so plan accordingly. Visit bakerk12.org/BCHS and click on the calendar for a full schedule, or follow Daily Growl TV on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to stay in the know.
Speaking of calendars, any History Club member wanting to attend the field trip to Lusty Festival on Valentine's Day needs to see Mr. Hartley or Mrs. Garber. The deadline is the 7th of February.
Seniors, on January 31st, you will be voting for superlatives in the Media Center. Time to dress your best.
Can't wait for it. In the meantime, it's Riddle Me Monday, so let's get on. Here we go. If 11 plus 2 equals 1, what does 9 plus 5 equal? Have your teachers submit your class's best answer, and we'll find out who was right tomorrow about this time. Same channel as well.
Today for lunch, you have the option of Tony's pepperoni pizza slice, chicken pot pie, kickin' chicken sandwich, or Rebet sliders.
All right, that's it for today. We hope you have a marvelous Monday, Wildcats. God bless you all, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Woo!